Hello, so this is another one of my scripts. This one it's concerned about adding up devices, managing devices. It is the part of in the inventory system. So there is a full inventory system, but this is just a part of inventory system, and I will give it to you as a PHP script. So what is it doing? First of all, this script can enable you to add a device name, device type, amount of those devices, an image of that device, and status of that device, if it's available, unavailable, defective, and upload it. So after doing that, you will get CSV download and a table, and inside this table you can get the function to delete. We haven't put it yet an update, but if you will request for an update script, or a script with an update button, you can comment in the comment section. But until now, we've managed to put it this way, and as you can see, if you enter, let's do now the live demo. If you enter maybe a watch and then Seiko, this is a device type, and how many of these are 7? Choose an image. You can choose any image here. I think we don't have to go so far to choose an image. Let's choose this guy here, and then say status is available, isn't it? So let's upload it. After uploading it, you'll get this message: file and data uploaded successfully, and we'll see your watch here, Seiko, available, amount 7, date, and update date. So what's amazing about this system is uh, in this image here, this small image, when you click this image, pop, this image can turn into huge image or a full-sized image. So you can get a full-size image of what you've uploaded and look at it in wider perspective. So let's maybe optimize or minimize this screen so that you can see it. How extensive is it inside your mobile phone? Let's assume you are in your mobile phone. How this script is going to look inside your mobile phone. So inside your mobile phone, you can see this script is extensive. You see, now this is how it looks inside your mobile phone, and when you press a picture, you can see how good it looks, so let's try to test these two functionality: download CSV and delete. Let's try to delete a solo guitar, this one here. So a solo guitar now is gone. We have remained with a speaker and a watch. So also let's try to download a CSV and see if the CSV will come up with the data inside this table. Download it. Let's click this CSV and see what it contains. So as you can see, it contains speaker and watch, base, Seiko, defective, available, and the date. You can see the date here, and the date available for update date and creation date, and a number of devices. So the functionality for download CSV, it works. The functionality for deleting it works, and the functionality for image view, it works very well. Functionality for adding any other device, it works, and an image, it works. So you can add as many devices as you wanted to, and it will be shown in this perspective. So thank you, and welcome to another one of my scripts. Don't stop yourself to subscribe, and I will see you in the next script. Thank you very much. Now you can download this script down in the description below, down this video. There are links. So also inside those links, you can get these files. As I want you to be aware of, you can get these files. So there is a zipped file inside. After downloading this script, it is in this zip file. So in this zip file, you will find that there is an asset folder, includes folder, jQuery, upload, and these other 5 folders. So download it, extract it, and inside includes is the place that you will get the SQL file that is a database file. So what are you going to do with it? What are you going to do with this script? You can do it a lot of things. You can upload it online as a platform for update or for uploading uh, books, or it allows even to upload PDF. So don't worry about PDF, or for uploading images. So you can put it as an inventory system. So if someone comes and upload anything, the image will remain there of that thing, and the description and the date that uploaded, and when you updated that thing. So it can be used as an inventory system. It can be used as maybe image management system or member management system, or you can use it in any other way. The issue is how to run it, maybe how to execute it. So how to run it and how to execute it, there will be a video link there down in the description for the previous script where I managed to explain you how you can run this script online or on localhost.